Well, hello, good morning, everybody. Kyle, she's in the house. Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing? Good morning. Take a quick look at financial juice this morning. Make sure we're up to date. Looks like we have no real red news folders or anything. Nothing important on the news here. Just gonna refresh the financial juice. Double check there. How you doing this morning, everybody? Looks like we got mostly all people in X. 8 people in X. Get over here to the live stream. Make sure we can link that. Good morning, good morning. Looks like we got about 3 minutes to the bell here. Let's see here. Good morning, everybody. Got a couple people coming into YouTube now. How's everybody doing? We are currently at previous day low. Popping up here a little bit, a couple minutes here before the bell. I noticed that Nick's stream was shut down already. I'm wondering, he had to step away for some reason, I guess. Oh, he had to wrap it up today. Yes. Good morning, good morning. Looks like we got a couple people coming in. Hey, Angia, good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you? So we are below the PLC. We're kind of popping up towards midnight open price here. How you guys doing this morning? Angia, Kyle. Looks like we're pulling back here a bit. We are pulling back here. Pretty bearish move right out of the gate here. Saw my duck hit the wall last night at the end. I know, right? You were pretty close. That was pretty. I was like, Kyle, you gonna win? Oh no! And then somebody else just kind of took over. It was a valid try, though. It was a valid try, right? So NQ kind of swept this London low here, popping up a little bit, but really we need to be getting back up to previous day low here if we're going to get any kind of bullish momentum, at least at a minimum, right? Let's get our view up anchored here, see what we're looking like. Maybe we can even go down to like a 3-minute chart here. Jay's just going straight down here. Angia made profits in Asia and London, not going to trade New York. Okay, hey, smart. I mean, if you got the profits, you don't need to trade it, right? No need, no need. Yo, first time morning trading with you all. Usually showed up on the afternoons until I blew my funded account. At least took 1K payout before I went on tilt. Nice job, EC. That's good to know. Congrats on the payout. But yeah, come hang out. Let's take it easy. We're kind of going to try to be patient here for like about the first 15 minutes or so. Just kind of see how this price is going to shake out. It's a decent rule of thumb if you're trying to like figure out what the market's gonna do, you know, give it that first 15 minutes here and formulate a plan after that. Because if you guys were watching the chart there, we did look a little bullish at the moment out of the gate there, and then just straight down all the way to London lows. Kind of bouncing off a little bit now. Angia, were you in Nick's stream? I guess he had to wrap it up. I think he said something at the end of the stream like, oh, I'll see you guys next, or see you guys tomorrow morning. So I'm assuming he's done for the day. I wasn't sure if he posted. He didn't say anything to me. I don't see any messages. But I'm assuming he's a busy guy. You know, he's probably got stuff going on. He was talking about taking Mondays or Fridays off, so I don't know. We'll have to see. Yo, so what are you trading now, EC? You got a couple evaluations eval accounts with, and which prop firm do you typically trade with? So the book map, we do have some orders there at 29,175. So we did pop up there a bit, but we just can't seem to get through some of these orders, getting close to the 29,150 area. Let's look out, scroll out a little bit more, see if we can't figure out where some more of these orders are at. So I do see 136 contracts up at 3,000, but we have 262 down at 29,000. So we kind of have a bit of a mixed bag here at the moment, whether or not we're going to be the bulls or the bears here. So we did find a little resistance there again, sort of at the 144, creeping up to the 150s. Okay, well, we did sweep down there. What is this? Oh, that's a trend line that I got in place here from before. So what time have we got here? Is this our third candle? No, we're still waiting for our first 15 minutes to settle down here. So here's the story always with Take Profit Trader. For one whole year, I failed all trading NQ, then sized down to MNQ, passed it, got the payout, went back to NQ, failed again. Yeah, you know, depending on what account size you're trading, like especially if it's a 50K account, like one NQ is I think it's too much personally. So you gotta be real careful. Yeah, and sizing down makes it a lot easier to survive longer in the trades if you're not in at the exact perfect timing, right? Yeah, 50K always, yeah. So, you know, I think like 3, maybe 4 micros should really be your max trade size. 2 to 4 micros, and 4 is even getting a little bit big, right? So like 5 is $10 per point, and as you know, Nasdaq can like sneeze and do like 30 points, right? So So we do have some orders that are at 29,050, 29,025, and 29,000. We got about 300 contracts there. There's still some orders there up at 175, about 89. So a bit of a mixed bag here. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and then we can think about just seeing where we're at. We'll at least have our opening range set, and then we can make our trade plan from that. Seems like this level here could be a pretty strong level, 29,075. We do have a bunch of volume balls on the book map there around this area here. Just enjoy your coffee for the moment, guys. Let this market shake out a bit and give us a little bit of an indicator as to what's going to be going on. TPTs are definitely hard to trade too. Once you get past that evaluation stage and you try to get into the fundeds, getting through that intraday trailing drawdown can be pretty tough. Pushing back down here again towards the 29,050 area. Luckily, intraday TPT is what I learned, so I'm used to it. Yeah, I mean, you just got to be aggressive, you know, during that early stage of the funded account, right? Just got to be aggressive with it. Looks like a Monday, no news Monday here, selling off all the way down to 29,000 now. Trump on Canada on January 1st, 2027, tariffs on all cars, trucks, both large and small automotive parts, steel will be increased to 50%. Ontario Premier Doug Ford, Canada should be ready to cut electricity to the US. Ooh, jeez. Oh man, why can't they just come to an agreement? So annoying. Hey, there's Dad. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. Right through the 29,000s there. Nothing but sellers so far here. I guess we'll be trying to wait for a pullback. Where is my VWAP here? This guy right there. It's the wrong color. There we go. Build in US, there's 0 tariffs. There you go. That's why I like trading Mondays. No government reports. Yeah, that's true. That's true. You're liking the no news, eh? Well, I'm not sure what to do here. I'm going to be patient here. Let's see if we can't get a bounce back to the VWAP at some point. Slow and steady here today. Let's just like be patient, try to lock in and lock in the patience here, waiting for a bounce. We're gonna look for some sort of a opportunity to short this guy. You're just Ducky? Nice. I'm liking Ducky. Getting a bit of a bounce here out of this recent 5-minute chart. So the 28,977 is the low at the moment. So we're getting close. We're getting close to this the VWAP here. Gonna see what happens. I'm not just gonna blindly jump in on the VWAP short here. What account do I want to try to trade here too is a question. Let's log out of here and let's look at well, maybe that was the end of the bounce there. I don't know, guys. I don't know. That might have been our chance to get in. So does that mean he pushed the tariffs forward, I guess, hey? Because they had been threatening that they're going to put the tariffs on like right away. So I thought tariffs were supposed to be coming active today on Canada, the 50%. So did I take a trade? I did. I took a trade in the Blue Sky account. I do have Take Profit Pro account. Hey, Lone Wolf, were you in Nick's stream this morning? Or anybody? Were you guys, any of you in Nick's stream this morning? Because he didn't mention that he wasn't coming on, but I think I heard him at the end of the stream saying he'll be back tomorrow. So, did any of you guys hear that? If you let me know, that'd be great. Not, you know, we're all good, but just curious if we're not going to see him. Oh, let me fix my charts here. He's done for the day? Just he's done for the day. Did he make some good profits this morning? Because normally he lets me know, but... All right, we are pushing lower again here. How many points are we down at the moment? Let's see. Right out of the gate, 275 points to the downside. Jays. Jays, guys. Jays. What a wild move down. Did you guys, any of you guys in the chat take any trades this morning? Mick or Kyle? Mr. Lone Wolf? He had one big loss and other gains. Sounded like he may have been around break even between all accounts. Okay, that's good to hear. Thanks for that. Canada has been ripping off the United States of America for years. The ridiculously high tariffs on farmers and farm products has made life impossible for these great American patriots and has long created $60 billion deficit between our two countries. Not sustainable, not anymore. On January 1st, 2027, tariffs on cars, trucks, both large, small automotive parts, we don't need Canada. They need us. They do 95% of their business with the US, with us. The exact opposite. Thank you for your attention on this matter. So Trump giving Canada a hard time here, guys. Sounds like me. I exited my short on this morning's open. Just watch now. Might add to my retirement DCA later. Okay. Hey, there's Jerry. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Jerry's in the house, guys. Speaking of Jerry, I think we got a good song for him here. Let's see, where did it go?
market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume, Jerry's watching candles, and somebody better find Gordon.
Where's Gordon, Jerry? Where's Gordon?
Let's trade.
Trump wants to annex Canada? Yeah, pretty much, eh? Along with Greenland. Yeah, it's Jerry's intro song, guys.
Green Delta, red candle, NASDAQ doing something scandalous. Volume pumping, candle squirm. Jerry says that's when it's time to learn. W's in the chat. Then we take it right back. Liquidity taking VWAP, getting tapped. Market butcher crew got the wildest chat. NASDAQ nasty. Wait for confirmation, don't get flashy. Bulls take the stairs, bears elevator down. Market butcher chat is the best around.
Wow, Dow's looking pretty bullish at the moment.
While half of the chat is still seeing candles in their head. Spud went negative 250, then positive 540.
Call that thing a mini.
Nah, that mini's massive. One volatility alternative took 1300 from the range. Keltner channel work and then he shut down the game. Donnie traded 8 hours just to end where he began. As I fly said, that's 8 hours of experience, my man. Jerry took some losses, thought the session went bad. Check the account, still green. Now he ain't even mad. Jerry.
Jerry.
Candle squirm. Wayne, big boy, skeletal. As I fly, Noi, right back up.
I ended up taking along here on the ES, guys. Just kind of targeting this 74 area. If we can get a push up here, we'll see how it reacts once we get up into the 74. This bearish fair value gap out of the gate. So far, I mean, the buyers seems like they stepped in. This is a pretty high volume candle here. We did take the VWAP nicely. If we start getting trading below the VWAP, I'll just cut this trade. You might do a small trade on the 55 area. Okay.
Then Zero Skills whispers, watch out, there's a cop here. Misk 911 enters. Cover possibly blown. Yo, Jim says she likes working undercover. Then quickly adds, not that I know about that. Sus. Misk made cookies, nobody have to decide. So now she ain't sharing. Jerry asked for weird comments. Jack took it too far. Dark side's coming out. Wow.
I would like to apologize. Not all Americans want their target on Canada's back right now. Yeah. Not all Americans want that target on Canada's back right now. Yeah, I totally get it. You know, I feel like, you know, as much as Trump is a tough negotiator and a bit of a wild loose cannon, I don't think our government's been doing their, you know, their job either in regards to, you know, getting a deal with the United States. So definitely both sides are a little bit at fault. I don't think most Americans want tariffs on Canada, right? I mean, if you put a bunch of tariffs, really, what are you doing? You're kind of actually just taxing your own people, right?
Philip says, first time here. Wonder Man asks, you live every day? Wilson says, good trade, Dave. Welcome to the stream. Trade safe. Wait for confirmation. Respect the VWAP. And remember, sometimes
Giant moth just flew right past me there. So let's see how this candle's going to react here. We did get a bit of a pullback here into this after we hit into this 74, 75 area. It'd be sweet if we could get a Randy B candle and just get right back up to the VWAP here. I'm going to see where this candle closes before I do anything. I'm only in with one micro here on the MES. And look at that, we're right back down. I'm gonna watch the 3-minute candles here for a minute. 3-minute candle tapped right into the 50% point of this bearish fair value gap. I'm gonna take a look at ES here. 76.80 on the top side has a bunch of orders, and 76.50 on the downside have a bunch of orders. Ooh, that was a bit of a swipe lower here. Did we talk about the Trump tweet at 9:30 exactly, which might be the reason for the dump at the open? Yeah, I mean, again, the tariffs on Canada are actually negative for consumers in the United States, right? Because that's how tariffs work. You put tariffs, it increases the cost of doing business, right, with certain companies. So it's the overall plan is for him to try to drive more people into bringing their companies into the US again. But yeah, you're just trading one micro for this eval. So far so good, no stress. Yeah, nice job, sir. Heading back down to previous day low here on the ES. Maybe that was really our chance to get in on a short, is this little pop there, unfortunately, but I had already been positioned long. I'm down 27 bucks in this account. Let's give it a little time here. Not really happy that this candle swiped down and closed like that. So I am kind of thinking about cutting this guy. I'm just gonna let this candle play out a little bit longer here. One micro though, so it's not a huge stress on the trades here.
None of this makes sense. Donnie went to Mexico, Fabi feeling tall. Meanwhile, we're supposed to be trained in after Paul Ryan's laughing, Dave stealing somebody's joke, NASDAQ moving 20 points, while the whole chat's broke. Then Zero Skills whispers,
The buyer's having a little bit of trouble here going higher. Yemeni attack on sensitive positions and Saudi mercenary arms depots. Okay, we attacked a vessel off Saudi Arabia's Yanbu. No Saudi confirmation. Huh. Instant American citizens for all Canadians. Interesting. What does that mean? Did you see that kind of news or something? Did I take a look at MNQ so far? I was looking at it earlier. Yeah, it looks like we have some contracts there at 29,000 and then some down at 29 or 28,950 here. What, like a walking shoe? Get Dave's hopes up, yeah.
says, good trade, Dave.
I'm moving to Vancouver when you guys become Americans.
Wait for
Haha.
confirmation.
Yeah.
Respect the VWAP.
Vancouver's a pretty great place. Just if only we didn't have such crazy taxes and our current NDP government trying to give away all of our land to the Native Americans. It's an interesting situation over here for that. So be careful what you buy. You're probably better off to rent, because you never know what's going to happen to the to the properties. You know, whether or not you're going to be whether or not it's going to be yours or given away eventually.
Jerry's watching candles, and somebody better find W's in the chat.
Well, I'm not really liking how ES is looking here at the moment. Might be a time to just cut this trade here. One micro down 26.25.
Big boys active. 2-minute MNQ. Now the whole chat's reactive. Skeletal counting rejections of VWAP. Caught one short, now he's kicking right back. Good job, scale. Wayne knows the play. 5 VWAP rejection, that's enough for today. Noise says, right back up soon. System perfect, landing on the moon. As a fly says, short.
And be prepared for expensive cost of living, eh, Lafta?
Delta, red candle, NASDAQ doing something scandalous. Volume pumping, candle squirm. Jerry says that's when it's time to learn.
Skating on those huge lakes, they look awesome. We don't need if you come into Vancouver, good luck, because there's not very many it hasn't been freezing much lately. So KEC, you have a great day, bro.
Call that thing a mini. Nah. That mini's massive. One volatility alternative took 1300 from the range. Keltner channel work and then he shut down the game. Donnie traded 8 hours just to end where he began.
Okay, well, I am taking an attempt at a small ad here. We added one more micro right at the previous day low. Now, if we end up pushing a little bit lower, I'm going to have to cut this guy. But we'll see how this ends up playing out here for a bit. Not trying to risk too much. So if we start getting a closure below previous day low, I might just close this trade. It's kind of that level where if we're gonna hold, we gotta hold this level. So, kind of the line in the sand at the moment. If we can turn bullish here for a moment, that'd be pretty nice. Trump will probably drop all taxes for Canadians. The people will rejoice. I mean, it would be nice to drop to drop some taxes in Canada, because we do have really high taxes. That's for sure. That's for shizzle. If I get above my price here, I'm probably just gonna go break even if we end up try to like not take a loss on this trade. Not that convinced now this next candle, although we did print sort of a doji. We do have some orders down at 57, which I'm not really liking, that we're, you know, hopefully we don't get all the way down there, but get some other music going here. My computer seems to be running pretty slow this morning.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Anxious sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stick it up slow, don't blow the account. $36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live.
Yeah, I'm not liking this. Come on, let's hold this level. We need to hold that previous day low here. Yes.
One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and MNQ, that's straight.
Only the billionaires though? Yeah, just wonder how he will win over the North to join the United States. Yeah, good luck with that. The liberals really don't like the dude down there. Getting ready here, possibly thinking about cutting this guy.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Inch sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stick it up slow, don't.
Yeah, it looks like we're heading down to the 57 area here. We got a minute and 47 seconds left on this 5-minute candle here. Starting to push back down below previous day low, so can't get back above the previous day low here real quick. Probably just gonna cut this guy. Try to take a small loss here. Only 2 micros on ES doesn't really do very much damage.
So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Inch sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stick it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk.
We gonna get a pop here or what? Let's see.
6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying.
So I'm gonna put a stop loss in here. Sell 2 stop limit here, right below previous day low. If we end up pushing our way back down there, I just want to be out of this trade. Oh damn, just realized you're trading MES. Yes, I am. I figured it's pretty volatile. It's a Monday. NQ is a little scary for me. Well, it looks like it's coming straight down for my stop here. Yeah, there we go. I got stopped. I got stopped on that trade. Gotta stop there. Probably gonna go back and watch NQ now. Just not loving this price action here. I should have been looking for shorts on NQ, but oh. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Next stop will be 28,770. Really? That's what you're thinking? Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and MNQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Inch sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Just gotta add more size if you want more adrenaline on MES, depending on your tolerance. Yeah, I'm okay. I wanted to keep it small anyways. It is Monday. I don't really want to do damage, let's say. I had a pretty okay session yesterday. I'm up, you know, 300 bucks I think in the funded account. So now I just gave back about 40, which isn't the end of the world, but you know.
I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app. Day 150K, yes, all day. Day 150K, yes, all day. What's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you.
NQ looking like it might try to go sweep the lows here. We do have orders there, 28,950, some down at 900. So kind of looking a little bearish at the moment here. Although we have all wicks below this price here, 975. So this might end up creating another wick. Not financial advice or anything, but we'll have to see how this thing ends up playing out here. Yeah, just not getting any momentum here on the bulls side or the bears side. Just kind of chopping around here near the 75s. I guess, you know, if we can get a nice strong closure above 29,000, that would be a good sign that bulls might potentially be coming back into play here. But as of right now, I don't see any real trade ideas to take here, so not ideal to trade the New York session this month. Chop chop. Yeah, it seems that way. Hey, Angia. I mean, unless you caught this short out of the gate, like. Trying to just promote a little bit of patience this morning. Hopefully you guys can stay on board with me. Stay on board with the patience here. We got 11 people in YouTube, 7 in X right now. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. I appreciate you guys.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market's even. I'm just stacking little base hits. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these.
You're short at 235? Anja, you are amazing. Good for you. What was your read on that, Angia? Like what made you decide to get short there? Because we've been in a bit of a downtrend like this here, and then what, we got a pop, so you're like, okay, let's get short? Or were you short from earlier? Just curious. This one very knowledgeable Wall Street guy always avoided August trading. Oh, really? So September, you think September is going to be better or what? You know, it is summer, right? And often when we have sort of like summer trading, people are on vacation, stuff like that. Positions are getting swapped around, moved around and stuff.
MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. All right, guys.
All right, we're popping up here. Fairly low volume here, right to the VWAP.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the
Purely bear flag. The market spent the whole London session to build a bear flag. Then I decided to short at 235. Honestly, I thought NQ could reach 780 today, but more safe to take profits. Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Getting a bit of a reaction there off the New York VWAP. Stalling out here.
We all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah, small wins, big losses. That's it. NQ fig you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids.
I just I wanted to short it there at the VWAP. I'm you know, this market lately has been so like choppy that like I kind of missed opportunity now, but I feel like we could just kind of like head back up into this area and then head back down again. I mean, this is what's been happening repeatedly. The pump on pre-market almost makes me want to close my trade, but this month we have seen so many dead fish pump and it drop again. Yeah. This little pump here right before before the market opened. Yeah. That's obviously some people covering, right? Maybe they're covering shorts from that they were in overnight right before market opens, try to get out of their position just in case this thing does rip higher, something like that. Or it's just that, that pump to manipulate some longs before we distribute lower here. So I added my contract and hold. Also marked all my levels. 235 was one of my levels, and 38 is my next level. So we are pulling back here a bit again here, back below the 29,000s. We got some buying or selling volume balls on this pushback down. 384 contracts there, 29,997. 90 at 04, 105 at 113, and 102 at 20. So lots of volume here, pushing us lower. Now, are they gonna trap these guys or what? 419 buy volume at 29,004. So pretty high volume here. A bunch of buyers here getting trapped, and then a bunch of sellers kind of pushing in here, pushing us lower. So we got a bit of a mixed bag. It is Monday, guys, so try to keep the size small. Don't risk too much on your accounts here. But yeah, this market is not easy to trade. Not easy to trade. Hey, 10 people in YouTube, 7 in X. Awesome. How we doing on the likes here? Thanks for supporting the channel, everybody. 8 likes, 10 people watching. That's all, like 80% win rate right there. Thanks, guys. Which prop firms will adopt the nanos? I'm not sure, actually, Lafta. That's a good question. I'm gonna run that through AI real quick. It's worthwhile to run that through AI. Getting back up above 29,000 here. So I cannot yet find any major prop firms that have officially added MES, MNQ, N2K, or NDAO. Lucid is currently does not show it. Tradeify does not show it. My Funded Futures does not show it. But they think that adoption will be likely. So there's no record of any of them accepting it just yet from what AI is saying here. TradingView doesn't show nanos. I'll try to add it on Tradeify here. MNQ. Yeah, it shows on MNQ. Nasdaq 100. E Nano Nasdaq 100. Ooh, but the volume looks really, really gross. Look at that. So I wouldn't be wanting to trade this, that's for sure. I don't know if this is the right. Maybe it's a Z contract instead of the. Nope, nothing on the MNQ either. So we are finally popping back up here a bit. We're gonna have to see what happens here up at this 29,045 area. Can we get a closure above this? I mean, that would be good for the bulls. Whatever happened to stock futures? Oh yeah, I heard about that. I think that those are still active, aren't they? It didn't show anything last week. Well, that wasn't trading. That was Tradeivy where I showed it. But does it show it now?
MNQ VWAP and it dips quick then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up.
Oh, it does show now. Gotcha, Big T. Gotcha.
One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hitting quick. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade.
Russia's Perm oil refinery halts processing after attack. Oh, damn, that sucks. Well, more bad oil news, I guess.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
The Bulls want back in, right, Lafta? Seems like it. Seems like it.
Another lesson. Another chart. Another night. I walk a lonely chart tonight. The only ones to go and pray. Through broken trend lines left behind. Searching for the next setup I find. The VWAP faded far away.
I'm thinking about trying a short here. Right at this trend line.
Another fake out in disguise. And I know the candle doesn't care about my hopes or my prayers. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines.
40 seconds left here on this candle. See where this candle closes here.
Of broken trend lines.
Yeah, the Bulls definitely want back in here. Rye Brilla in the house. Hey, good morning. Well, they inverted that fair value gap there. Sitting right above that trend line there. Book map, plenty of action. Yeah, seems like it. Seems like it.
Trend lines. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty, E is clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen. One more level, one more trade, one more lesson, one more day.
Order's still above here. Looks like we have about 120 up at 29,100.
trend lines. The market opens, the market closes. The candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch, Ralph dreams deep. And somewhere, another trend line breaks.
V-shaped recovery to the open. Kind of looking like it, eh?
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
Decent volume on that last candle pushed up here. Yeah, big buy volume ball there. 625 contracts. 29,092, but it got absorbed and now we're pulling back, so I'm not really sure what happened there. How you doing this morning, Rybrilla? Have you guys? I didn't see Ryan Entourage this morning. I wonder, were any of you guys in the in Nick's stream this morning? Do you see Mr. Entourage? The busy guy lately, I think. Another buy volume ball there. 73 contracts at 87. Two accounts in daily loss limit, one at plus 910 and one at negative 210. So kind of a mixed bag for you, hey? DLL, yeah, daily loss limit. That's what I kind of thought you were talking about. Was just moonshot shooting at the open, lol. I was up 1700 and one of the daily loss. Oh, no way, really? Damn. Yeah, try your best not to YOLO. Usually it doesn't end out good, you know? If you're up 1700, you should just try to lock that baby in, you know? Should try to like give yourself a sort of a value. If you can put a certain amount in the account, just like, you know, just be ready to lock it in. Pushing into those orders here.
stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart.
Yeah, lock it in and pay yourself. Oh, they're evals, but still, yeah. Fair enough. I mean, I actually haven't passed one eval yet. Once funded, I would do that. Well, hey, you know, you should, if you haven't passed an eval yet, you should really try to trade your evals like a funded account. You know what I mean? Just build that habit, because if you just YOLO it, then you might find that you're going to end up getting into a little drawdown into a funded account, and then you're going to YOLO that one too. So just keep that in mind, right? Those big bubble players really know what they're doing. Yeah, typically. Map book. It's just I'm a little reluctant to take a long up here, because we keep, you know, this often happens here where we get into these orders and then we get a pullback, and then we get into a little bit more and then we get a deeper pullback. So yeah, it's hard for me to long it here. So like, if the bulls are in control here, I would like to see us maybe pull back to the VWAP and then, you know, stall out, start showing some support for a potential like bounce back up to those orders. Yeah, it's just, it also tapped the 50-minute orb, so we might pull back a bit. Yeah, book map book. I mean, I know what you're talking about anyways. Laughed at. What do you mean? What's a CE? Book map orb CE. It's like the center point. Yeah, we did tap the middle of it to the, exactly to the T. $12 people in YouTube, 7 in X. Good morning. Who else is in the channel right now, guys? We got Rybrilla, Lafta, Ryan not Ryan Entourage, Big T, Jerry Trades, Angia, my dad, and Kyle. Consequence approachment. Yes, a 50% point. Oh, nice. Never heard it called that. So, trading on my book Mac or my MacBook Pro. If you study neuroscience, the best way to learn is through pain. LOL. Sometimes you have to YOLO yourself into exhaustion before learning not to. Yeah, that's true. But that could be a costly way to do it.
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
Doctors agree, YOLO yourself into exhaustion. So we're trying to get back up above the 29,100 level here. I never said I recommend it, but you'll either learn or quit at that point. Yeah, it's just it could be a costly learning session, that's for sure, right?
FVG VWAP, back to VWAP, back to me. Frank the Great Pirate sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snow. He's seen this movie all before. The screens are glowing in the dark. Another week leaves another mark. But every loss becomes a guide for the trade that's waiting on the other side. And I know the market tests the weak, but patience pays for those who see. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trader leaves a piece of their mind. The stock gets hit, but tomorrow I'll be fine. On the boulevard of broken trend lines. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty, E is clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen. One more level, one more trade.
Rybrilla famous last words. Don't worry, tomorrow's YOLO on open. Only those evals will work. Oh yeah, sorry, Big T. Thanks for the reminder. I have the music pretty quiet, so I can't really hear it in the background.
Another Sunday, another Globex.
I really gotta go through and remove some of these songs and get some new ones going, just to refresh the stream
Chart already told
situation.
VWAP talking, why you talking back? Mustang got the levels on the map. But you got the entries, that's a fact. Everybody gangster till they drop down crap. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean FVG NQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts.
I really kind of thought that we were gonna head to the midnight open price.
Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full
When out of the gate here, when I saw this bullish candle, I was kind of hoping, I wanted to wait for at least the first 5 minutes. And I was hoping we were gonna kind of like pull back and then sort of bounce back up to previous day low, and then we could take a long to the midnight open price. Obviously that didn't play out, but yeah.
Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen. Just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high.
Pull out my guitar and strum. Yeah. I need to get a capo actually. I should probably order one off of Amazon or something. I missed the My Iguana Don't Care song. I don't remember what it's called. I think I may have removed that one from My Iguana Don't Care song. I think I might have removed it. Let's go with NQ Trickery though. That was a good song.
Another crack it NQ, don't gone dark. Tagged it close, left a mark. First light on the second screen. P&L blinking, red and green. The room is still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wide.
Also, I think my mom's probably still sleeping. She's in the room, just back over there. So I would hate to wake her up with some really bad guitar playing this morning.
For the real thing to show. Let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candle stopped to print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just
Getting a pullback here to the 21 EMA. The 9 EMA is starting to come. Let's see if we get a cross on the EMAs. Maybe that'll be give us a bit of an indication as to whether a good entry for a long.
every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where
I think it's called Iguana Dawn,
to fight.
Jerry.
Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need to prove.
You'd give up your intro song for the Iguana song? Yeah.
Every miss I open, every flush I had to sit through. Every snap that ripped me open and what it made me do. Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape.
Let me see if I can't find it.
There's no rush to be. NQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fussing every candle, enough chasing every move. If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove.
I can't see it. I just scrolled all the way to the top and I don't see the Iguana song. Did somebody remove it? Because I don't see any of the posts from Frankfurter.
Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face and cut when you switch. But life got a balance.
Yeah, I'm not able to find it at the moment. I'm not sure why.
Karma is a bitch.
So I'm pretty sure Frankfurter had posted it in the Discord.
Hide in the dark, but shit, find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. You can run from the game, but you can't from this. What goes round comes back. Remember this. Karma is a bitch, she don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bet. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit.
Yeah, I don't see any of Frankfurter's songs. Maybe he removed them? I don't know if he removed his own posts or something, but Oh, click to see attachment. Oh, no.
Windows tinted, heart cold, no
Yeah,
forgiveness. I
no luck there.
ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for
We got about 3 minutes here till the hourly candle, guys. Initial balance is set here. Initial balance low down at 949. Wondering if that's going to be the low of the day. We do have some contracts above 29,120. You'll just listen to Amish Trader. Yeah, Amish Trader is pretty funny.
Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave. And
Just
today
like that,
I accidentally
Amish
bought the
Trader.
top again. I woke up at the Globex Open, thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang threw me 20 levels. Market butcher said, "Don't chase." 5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an Amish trader.
I'm an Amish Trader.
Professional account derailer. I see a breakout candle, then I panic, buy a trailer. I'm an Amish trader. My risk management is failure. I move my stop 6 times, then blame Jerome Powell later. Yo, Jim Blab says NQ dirty. Misk says maybe wait. Angie posts the whole schedule while I'm entering too late. Kyle says hit the like button. Randy says wait for VWAP. I say nah, this thing's mooning, then immediately get trapped. Value area high, value area low. Everybody knows where price should go, except me. Frank the Great ironies watches. Ralph the Frenchie shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk.
Pulling back down here.
Even the duck race understands risk.
Okay, new candle here starting. We got 1 more minute to the open. Oh,
Now I still have
no, we got the 8 o'clock candle there. So, or sorry, 11 candle. So, Jerome Powell, who? Yeah. Hey Zar, how you doing? Good morning.
I turn a tiny paper cut
How's your trading going this morning?
full excavator. I'm an Amish trader, the drawdown navigator. I could lose money on a trade with insider information. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Already regretting this. Boner candle, straight to heaven, then it dumps. Like every single time. The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded
I'm gonna whip up a new song here while we're hanging out.
I passed 3 evils in a row, then somehow got much worse later. I'm an Amish trader.
See if we can't get a new song going here. Good so far. Been only trading gold at ranges, but trend is clearly up. Oh, nice.
According slowing down, trade like adults, unlike me. Quack, quack. Good night, everybody. Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave. And today, I accidentally bought the top.
Let's see if we can't get this. Oh, what's it called here? They're ready already? That was really fast. I don't trust this market here, guys. I don't know. Still up about 300 from yesterday's session. Just gonna follow up. I think I'm down a little bit on today's, just a couple bucks down. Haven't been loving price action though lately. It's just, I don't know. It's been tough. Yeah, I'm down $1.50 on today's trading session. Up 307 from yesterday. I did get a new song here. I'm just trying to decide which one I want to bring into the stream here. I think I like this one better, so let's go download MP3. Ride the momentum. Let's see. All right, let's upload this song. It's pretty good. Back to the VWAP here. All right, check this guys out. Check this out here, guys. Tell me your thoughts. Crank it up a little bit here.
I've been down, watched it all turn around, but I know one thing now. Don't fight the momentum. Yeah, woke up early, charts on the screen. Coffee getting cold, but the setup looks clean. Price at the level, I know what I see. I don't need to trade, let the trade come to me. Some days I'm right, some days I'm wrong. Some days that runner just keeps running on. Some days I cut it and watch it reverse, but chasing that candle only makes it worse. I've had green days, some red real fast. Had bad trades, teach me more than the cash. You can't control what the market would do. You only control what you.
It's like a 3 minutes and 42-second song.
Stay calm, stay locked, don't chase the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape gets moving, I know my moving, I know what I'm doing. Momentum, momentum. When it comes out, I'm ready. Hands on the wheel, keep the heartbeat steady. When some loose, some still don't let it break me. I don't need every move. Just the one
Did the update for the volume and delta profile ever come through? Good question. I didn't see it. Let me just double check it here. Oh, actually, it was on this one. Where did it go? I see high time frame footprint candle. I think it was that one, wasn't it? I don't know what happened to it. Did it disappear? I don't see it on my list. Sounds like a breakup song. Break up with bad habits. Yeah. Ultimate volume and delta profile. Yeah, I don't see it on here for some reason. Let me just search this up again here. I don't know why it got removed. It should be invite only. Ultimate volume. There we go. Probably gonna take a minute to load here. You're wrapping it up now, Angia? Okay, you have a great day. Thanks for hanging out. God bless you also, Angia. Thank you. Charts on the screen, coffee getting cold, but the setup looks clean. Price at the level, I know what I see. I don't need to trade, let the trade come to me. Some days I'm right, some days I'm wrong. Some days that runner just keeps running on. Some days I cut it and have some faith, Dave. Thanks, Angia. I hope so. I hope so. Take care, Dave. We love you. Hopefully things will get better soon. I'll keep praying for you. Thank you. Thanks for all the support, Angia. I appreciate it. I know it's very, very tough to have faith when you have a hard time. I know, I understand, but trust me, keep some faith in your heart. Hey, thanks. Hey, my dad's in the chat still. Hey, Dad. Man, this price action is pretty odd though. Hey guys, a little slow price action here. Not really seeing anything that I'm like loving at the moment. Let's put on some standard deviation bands here, see if we can find potential trade like that. So we did get through the positive 1 and then ended up being resistance, pulled back to the VWAP.
One trade never decides who I am. It's thousands of choices, all part of the plan. I don't chase highs, I don't fear lows. I wait for
We are in a bullish 5-minute bullish fair value gap here.
momentum. Yeah, now we're moving, waited all day. Now the market is choosing, win some, lose some. That's the game that we play. Protect the downside, live the trade another day. Momentum, let the winners run. One clean trade can change what the whole day's done.
Decent little song though, hey?
And I finally know you don't have to catch everything, just catch it when it goes. Take the win, take the loss, pay the cost, shake it off. Next trade, new day, same rules, same way. When it comes, ride the momentum.
Momentum.
Ride the momentum.
Trading breakup song, hey? I think you have to read add private scripts anyways. TradingView doesn't do updates the same with those. Okay. Why is it not showing up here? Is it? Oh, there we go. Oh. It looks a little different now. Why is there... It's only one-sided. Inputs.
Quiet says more than words have been. Funny how these simple things mean more now than diamond rings. I spent years chasing yesterday, trying to get somewhere fast. Now I'm watching shadows fade and hoping this one lasts. Pour one more.
Yeah, you like that one? You can set it to both now. It's volume by default.
I've been searching all
So I'd have to turn on
for the peace I
volume and delta.
Now the wind knows my name, and the pines all wave hello.
And it's a heat map.
I need today
I think I need to move it a little bit more to the right now.
before I go. I've known laughter, I've known pain, dance through sunshine, walk through.
There we go, that's better.
Lost a few and loved enough to know this heart was built for both. Every wrinkle tells a tale, every scar has earned its place. If I could do it all again, I'd still arrive right here today. So here's to friends I've yet to meet.
Low volume notes are color coded too, like these green bars here, right? Are the low volume notes.
In the breeze, still singing me.
This guy and this guy.
Raise your cup to every road that brought
Thanks,
us
Andrea. You have a great
where
sleep.
we stand.
We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Journeys end, the rest in
We will see you tomorrow morning, and then also tomorrow evening for the evening stream.
one more.
You got to get some Angia some extra ducks. you're pretty low on extra ducks lately, Angia.
Without me now,
If God bless you all, remember, if God is for you, who can be against you?
running after
100%, Angia. Appreciate it.
enough wishing life away.
Green if below, red if price above.
Heaven feels like anything. It starts with mornings.
I don't see any red ones though currently.
One more sip, one more sunrise, one more cup.
Oh, because there aren't any right now. Okay, that makes sense. That's what I was like thinking. I'm like, huh. So does that mean? And so do you find low volume nodes? They're kind of like fair value gaps, so they typically work as like support if they're below and resistance if they're
Know where I'm
above.
supposed to be. Morning paints the mountain gold like she's telling stories never told. The fire's low, the air's clean.
E-Nanos is tradable through interactive brokers, but my TradeStation account won't let me trade it. I didn't trade it just place a trade to buy at 100 point lower price, then canceled? Oh, you just wanted to test it out, hey Mick? They're basically more accurate FVGs. Yeah, well, it's interesting that this bullish one is sitting right at the VWAP. We kind of haven't really tapped it yet. So would you treat it the same as a fair value gap? Like you wait for a price to tap into it and then bounce? Because we did tap this like little skinny one here. Right, we got a sort of a second low volume node. Did it tap it? Not even. Didn't quite tap it there either. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to read Delta either. I guess that's where the buyers and sellers are active.
I've known laughter, I've known pain, danced through sunshine, walked through rain, lost a few and loved enough.
I've never used fair value gaps for your trading. Yeah.
Was built for both. Every wrinkle tells a tale. Every scar has earned its place. If I could do it all again, I'd still arrive right here today. So here's to friends I've yet to meet, and those who've long since gone. I swear there's somewhere in the breeze.
Oh, okay. Oh, because you can see this is a developing POC and everything, right? And it looks very much the same as over here, kind of.
Some dreams don't wait at journey's end. They're resting in your hands. Pour one more cup. There's no need to rush. The world can turn without me now. I've finally had enough. Enough.
Yeah, cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Kind of just stuck here, guys. Probably gonna wrap up the stream here in about 10 minutes unless something starts happening here. We're getting into lunchtime. Volume's gonna die down.
No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound.
Oh, TradingView builds their volume profile from minutes data, which is inaccurate. That's part of the reason I made it. Gotcha.
Sooner or later, nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age. You can lock the door, change the name, but yesterday still remembers the game.
Well, there's that low volume node retest right there.
Found more strength inside than I would see. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high, leave the past where
Market should continue its down move after lunch. Oh, that I was literally about to queue up an order in there and I missed that like by a few seconds. I don't know if you guys saw me there, but I was right clicking here. I went copied the price. I went limit here, pasted it in there, and then I was like, and then right after that, this thing wicked down perfectly into the price and then bounced up there. So could have been up about 18 points right there.
on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
TradingView's own hotkey system for sending trades is great. Oh really? I didn't know they have a hotkey. Are you talking about the buttons or like hotkeys? Since when did they add hotkeys?
Green candles got me feeling like a king tonight. Charts clean and every setup looking right. One more breakout, one more perfect.
Yeah, hotkeys, but where do you
Market flips and takes it all. Watching futures like the screen. Living every trader's dream. One click later, what a ride. Now I'm praying for the other side. Who's hunting all my stops tonight? Who's fading every move just right? Tell me
they've had it for ages, you'll need to read about it to get it set up properly? Oh, gotcha. Oh man, look at that. Look at that bounce off that.
everybody says it's manipulation. Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity.
One tap trading, instantly place edit cancel orders, close positions. Plus the plus menu on the price scale. Right click the chart, built-in keyboard shortcuts.
Blame the market, blame the whale, blame the headline, blame retail, blame the boss that never sleeps. Still the
Oh.
losses are run deep. Every chart will tell the truth. If you trade with
Alt Shift B,
risk is small and winners grow. That's the only edge I know.
Shift T,
Wait your turn. This is something learn.
Market makers stole my trade. Liquidity rate, another payday. But I learned
Alt Shift S.
discipline is here to stay. Take the setup, trust the plan. Don't be Superman. 1% is all I need.
You need to set up presets. By just going this guy. Opposite hotkey to flatten, yeah. Back up to 29,100 there.
No more hoping, no more hoping, no more guessing.
That's annoying to you?
Every candle, teaching lessons. Small risk, big dreams.
I mean, you can just hit the X button too. If you're in the position, just hit the X on your whatever, your price line, right?
One day is done. One more session, one more chance. Every loss becomes advance. Discipline above the noise. Risk control becomes a choice. Long or short, I know the game. Trade the process, not the fame. Charts go dark. Monitors fade. Tomorrow opens. I'll be ready. One more candle.
Here we go. One more candle. Here we go.
Green candles got me feeling like a king tonight. Charts clean and every setup.
We got 3 minutes here till the half hour, guys. I'm a hockey guy. I have my computer set up so I never need to use a mouse. Only time I use it is for trading. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, hotkeys are pretty awesome. I used to use hotkeys in... Which platform? Was it Tradeify Project X, I think it was. Oh, and I did have hotkeys also for Tradeify also. But now that I'm using the command pad, I haven't been playing around with those, so.
Everybody says it's manipulation. Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity, heartbreak. Blame the market, blame the whale, blame the headline, blame retail, blame the bots that never sleep. Still the losses are run deep. Every chart will tell the truth if you trade with patience too. Risk is small and winners grow. That's the only edge I know. Slow it down.
Wait your turn.
Every loss.
This is something learn.
Market makers stole my trade. Liquidity rate, another payday. But I learned the hardest way. Discipline is here to stay. Take the setup, trust the plan. Don't be Superman. 1% is all I need. Consistency is speed.
Wow, guys. I looked away for a second here. Look at that price, man. Holy. Oh, damn it.
No more hoping, no more guessing. Every candle, teaching lessons. Small risk, big dreams. Nothing ever is what it seems. Market makers, have your fun. I'm still here when day is done. One more session, one more chance. Every loss becomes advance. Discipline above the noise. Risk control becomes a choice. Long or short, I know the game. Trade the process, not the fame. Charts go dark. Monitors fade. Tomorrow opens. I'll be ready.
What a little pop there on that new 5-minute candle, you guys. Right before the half past candle.
One more candle. Deep bass.
No FOMO, guys. No FOMO. It seems like fitting song here.
Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts
Huge bubble. Yeah, big selling volume ball there. 1277, 1,277 contracts. Sell ball. Good eye.
Jomo.
And just absorbed too. Like, just absorbed. Straight up absorbed. At that level. U.S. eyes 7.5% China overcapacity tariffs before Xi-Trump talks. Interesting. I just gotta use the bathroom real quick. Be right back. Un momento.
again, bought the top again, bought the top again. LOL. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. LOL. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. LOL. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. LOL. Top 40 brands is 31K. Risk management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hit and now we breathe. Omar wants to short the trend. FN says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent. Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? No FOMO. Only YOLO. No FOMO. Only YOLO. Only YOLO. JOMO. Joy of missing out. The market doesn't care what you're worried about. Chris says, better miss a good trade than enter a bad one. Better miss a good trade than enter a bad one. One piece of wood burning forever. One piece of wood burning forever. Yo, G got wood burning 40 years. Nobody knows why. Break 500. She's going up. Break 500. She's going up. Top 40 added one more, one more, one more.
Yo, so why would someone place an order that large on micros? Well, they could be profit taking, right? Selling order, or they're trying to like push it lower, but then it gets absorbed by a bunch of buyers. You know, there's some big players out there. Look at all these big orders below, right? So we had all these buyers in here. They could have like, oh damn, I almost need to exit bookmap. It's saying we don't have enough memory space here.
Market butcher. Mustang trader. Discord. Late night.
Oh, I don't want to exit the bookmap because it's gonna tell me Nano is on Tradeify. Yeah. Lots of big players in the game. Arrow up, arrow down, arrow up buy, arrow down sell, arrow left flatten, arrow right break even. Easy peasy. Nice. You guys are mad traders pressing all them hotkeys.
Market butcher.
No. Oh, on Tradeify. Can't tag you. I'm using my phone. You could place a million order on micros and it wouldn't move the market a single tick. Well, I don't believe that. I mean, if somebody hits them, like you can see all the orders on the book map in the micros right here, right? So if you think about it, there's 118 plus 50 plus 80 plus 80. So if somebody were to just hit the market buy at 500 contracts, it should kind of like go and eat up a bunch of these orders. I mean, the algorithms are pretty fast and they'll put some more orders in the way if that's the case, but it should definitely move the market. A bit? I don't know. A bit?
Mustang pre-market, David first light. Trello 19 still watching Orbeat. Gets a little spooked, then comes right back to me.
It doesn't mean it's going to move the entire market, but it might wick it up and then bring it back down because those algos are really fast to react.
Meanwhile, NQ keeps climbing higher. Why we running? Nobody knows. Why we running? Nobody knows. Why we running? Nobody knows. But we're still long.
Getting up to the +2 standard deviation here. We got orders 29,200, which is the +3 deviation, also the top of this bearish fair value gap. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I don't know. Just not feeling that good on this market today. I'm slightly green on the session, but still carrying about $300 profit from yesterday's session. I think I'm up about $5 or something.
Top 40 brands is 31K. Risk management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hit and now we breathe. Omar wants to short the trend. FN says, brother, don't do it again.
Yeah, I'm up $20, $24.50 here. Yeah, it was okay last night. We kind of just went lower and lower and lower. Okay, well, let's wrap it up here, guys. Thanks a lot, everybody. Look at that. My dad is the #1 chat person in the stream today. Thanks for that, Dad. Jerry Trades, Big T, Lafta, Rybrilla, EC Drive, Angia, Mick Riker, Kyle Shees, Lone Wolf, and Czar Trader. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Appreciate you guys, as usual, supporting the stream so much, being here. Thank you guys. Have a great day. We'll be live again tomorrow morning for market open, so come hang out with us. Hopefully we can catch some more good trades tomorrow morning. And yeah, trade safe, keep the size small, don't do anything too crazy. You know, it is August, so as we know, August isn't the best month, but hey, Jim Lannon, hey, thank you for that. I appreciate you. Yeah, so have a great day, guys. We will see you tomorrow morning for market open, 6:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I was on about 5 minutes late this morning, so hopefully I'll be more on time tomorrow morning. So thanks, everybody. Appreciate you guys, and we will see you on the flip side.
Market butcher.
Mustang trader,
Discord.
late night futures.
Off the top again.
See you tomorrow.
Let's go. Deep base. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. No FOMO. Only YOLO. No FOMO. Only YOLO.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See ya.